I think I'm taking this lift up, and bouncing down this little Thunderbird, and then traversing over here to this lift, and maybe we can go for the summit. What do you think, Shirley?
That sounds like a pretty good plan.
We're in it.
So we're heading over there to that foggy section?
Yeah, pretty much. Gotta get to that side somehow.
Which side?
That side. I think the bar's over there.
Oh, let's ski.
Alright, bonsai!
You're here with the newest, latest, greatest movement in outdoor winter sports. Rogue skiing.
Road Warriors 2007.
Extremely lightweight.
Yeah. Great backcountry clothing, really.
Yeah. Dual purpose. When you get to a hut, you're able to relax, chill out around the hut. When you're out on the slopes, you get decent coverage. Your chest is a little bare, but you can deal with that.
But it's freedom.
Freedom. It is freedom. There is not much more of an American way. Gay?
Road protected me.
Do you have that on tape? Whoa! Skis, man! Skis work!
Can you name the top 5 places you want to be right now?
Here. Here and here and here. And here. I think that's 5, right?
I think so.
Yeah, it's pretty much dumping. It's been dumping yeah, since yesterday when we got here. Probably 6 inches total.
And Earl looked down on his minions with approval and showered them with appreciation in the form of powder.